Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Solve the problems. As we have discussed in earlier class also, that when we are having unlike fraction, we cannot solve anything. Okay, so we have to, like, if we want to find the comparison, and if we want to add, if we want to subtract, we have to make this fraction into like fractions. As you can see here that 6 and 4 is there in their denominator, which is different, so it means they both are in these are unlike fractions. Okay, so now what we have to find is firstly the same step that we have followed for comparison. We will be doing the same step here. We have to do here plus, okay, addition we have to do. So firstly LCM of these two, 6 and 4. So what is the LCM of 6 and 4? So how we will find 6 and 4? We will write like this, and 6 and 4 does come in the same table, that is 2. 6 come in the table of 2 at 3 and 4 come in the table of 2 at 2. Okay, then afterwards, as you can see, 3 and 2 does not come in the same table, so you can take any number, like for example in from these two numbers you can these two are prime numbers, so you have to take the same numbers. Then what we will write, you can write 3 also, you can write 2 also. I have written 2, so then 3 will remain same and 2 will become 1, and then this 3 will as we have to divide this 3 also, so we will write 3 again, because 3 is prime number, so it will come in the same number only. So then we will get 1 1. Now the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 6, 6 3 the 2 to the 4 and 4 3 the 12. Okay, 2 to the 4 and 4 3 the 12. Then afterwards here we have got 12. Now 1 by 6, okay, we have to write 1 by 6, 1 by 4. You write like this, okay, forget this step. Now 6, okay, we are already having this LCM, you forget this thing also. Now we are having this LCM 12. So what number should I use so that 6 become 12? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर यूज़ करूँ so that 6 become 12, 12 बन जाए. So now what we have to do is 6 to the 12. And I have told you one thing, that whatever number you are writing in the denominator, you have to write the same number in numerator also. So when you multiply 1 into 2, this will become 2. Okay, like this. Now the next question, next part, 1 by 4. Okay, 4 should, what number should I multiply, which number should I multiply 4 so that it become 12. 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 12 आंसर आ जाए? So 4 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से, and the same denominator we have to write the same numerator, so 3 we will write up. Okay, so 1 3 the 3, so 1 3 the 3, and we will write here 3. As you can see here, 2 by 12 and 3 by 12 become like fraction now, because they are having same denominators. So now we have to add. Okay, now we have to add here, so we will add like this. Firstly you will write like this, 2 by 12 and 3 by 12. In addition and subtraction, you will not add the denominators. Please do remember this thing, you will not add denominator. Do not write 12 plus 12 is 24, do not write that. You will take the common, and here you will write 1 time 12, and only you will add the numerators. In subtraction also you will only subtract numerators. So 2 plus 3 is 5, so 5 upon 12 is the answer. Then we are having 3 fractions here. All 3 are having different denominators, so we will take the LCM here. We will take the LCM of 3, 6 and 8. So 3, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 3 and 6 does come in the same table, and 6 and 8 also come in the same table. So I am taking 2 here for dividing this 6 and 8. So here, as you can see, now we will take the 6 come in the table of 2 at 3, and 8 come in the table of 2 at 4. 3 will remain same. So now 3 3 4 we have, so we can write 3 here, because it will divide these two, so it will become 1 and this will become 1. 4 will remain as is. You cannot write 4 here, because in prime factorization you have to use the prime numbers only. Okay, do remember this thing. So now what you will do is 4 divided by 2, answer will be 2, and again you will divide 2 by 2, so the answer will be 1. Okay, so 2 3 the 6 and 2 2 the 4 and 6 4 the 24 will be your LCM. Okay, now we will write these 3 like this, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 by 8 like this. Okay, so what you will do is 1 by 3. Now exactly the same thing you have to do. Please remember this thing. now you 3 किससे multiply करें, 3 what number should I write so that it become 24, so 3 multiply by what number so that it become 24, so it will be, as you can see here, 2 to the, you will leave this 3 here, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, okay, so we will multiply by 8, so similarly numerator will remain same, so 1 8 the 8, okay. Now 6, what number should I multiply with 6 so that it become 24, so now you leave this 2, 3 the 6 होता है तो इसको छोड़ दो, 2 to the 4, so you will write like this, so 4 you will write in denominator and numerator also, okay, so 1 4 the 4, okay. Now here also 8 को किससे multiply करें, now 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 8 you leave, बचा क्या 3, 3 this 3 is left, so what you will do is 8 3 the 24, 1 3 the 3, so you have got this answer. Now 8 24, 4 24 and 3 24 you will add, and I have told you firstly you will write like this, but you will not add this 24 24 24, okay, you will just take common 24 like this and you will add the numerators 8 plus 4 plus 3, so 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15, so you have written 15 by 24 here, okay. Now we are having mixed fraction addition. Yesterday also we have done this thing, so I will repeat it so that you can understand much better way. 2 1 the 2 plus 1, okay. How you will solve it, firstly multiply and then you have to add, firstly multiply with the whole number and add the numerator, denominator will remain same, okay. So 2 1 the 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, so denominator will remain same and you will add this numbers like this, and 3 by 2 you have got the fraction. Now 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11, 8 plus 3 is 11, I have written like this also, okay. 2 1 the 2 and plus 1 3, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, like this, so that you can, it became easy for you. Now we are having the fraction 3 by 2, 11 by 4, so we will take the LCM of 2 and 4. So I have told you when they come in the same table, the fraction, the LCM will be the biggest number, okay. So if we are comparing two numbers only, do remember this thing, only in comparison of two numbers, LCM of two numbers, the LCM will be the bigger number, okay. So afterwards, now what will happen, 2 by 4, 2 and 4 fraction will be LCM, so it will be divided by 2, 2 will become 1 and 4 will become 2, 2 again we will write and it will become 1 and 1, so the LCM is 4, 2 to the 4. Now we have to make 3 by 2 4, so 2 को कौन से number से multiply करें, now 2 will multiply with which number so that it become 4, so it will multiply by 2 only, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, okay. Now here 6, now 6 by 4 we have to make 6 by 4, again here 11 multiply by 1, as 4 is there, so we need not to multiply with any other number, we can multiply by 1, numerator and denominator same, 4 1 the 4, 11 multiply by 1 is 11, okay. So now we will be adding these numbers, so again you will write 6 by 4 plus 11 by 4 like this, but you will not add the denominators, you will take it common, 6 plus 11 is 17, 6 plus 11 is 17 and denominator will be 4. Now we have to subtract. Similar same way we will subtract here. Firstly you will take the LCM of 4 and 2. What will be the LCM of 4 and 2, as they are coming in same table and there are only two numbers, so the bigger number will be the LCM 4. So I have written 4 here, as you can see we have done it like this. Then we have to change these numbers now, okay. So 3 by 4, as it is having already 4 as the denominator, so we don't need to change this number, so we will multiply it with 1 only, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, but in this we are having 2 as denominator, so what we will do is we will multiply it with 2, okay, 2 to the 4 and 1 to the 2. Now we have got these two fractions, like fractions, okay. We have to, if we want to subtract, we need to have like fractions only, so we will write 3 by 4 and 2 by 4 like this. Now again in subtraction also you will take the common like this, and 3 minus 2 numerators you will only subtract, okay, you will take the common and 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 by 4 is the answer, okay. Now as you can see here, this one is mixed fraction and this one is normal proper fraction, as the numerator is small and denominator is big, so this is proper fraction and this is mixed fraction, okay, because it is having whole number and the proper fraction, okay. Sum of whole number and proper fraction is your mixed fraction, okay. So what you will do, 19 multiplied by 6 plus 3, okay, 19 multiplied by 6 plus 3 you will write and the answer is 117, Okay, so 117 upon 19 you will write, and 23 by 57 you will write. As you can see, we have the different denominators. So firstly we have to take the LCM of 19 and 57. So 19 and 57, the LCM of 19 and 57 will be 19 and 57 does come in this table of 19. So 19 3 the 57. Okay, so then the LCM will be the bigger number, 19 and 57. 19 we will divide 19 and 57 by 19. So we have got 1, and 57 come in the table of 19 at 3. So 19 3 the 57. We have got the LCM here, 19 3 the 57. So now 19 will be multiplied with what number so that it become 57? So 19 we will be multiplied by 3 so that it become 57, and 117 multiplied by 3 so that it become 351. Okay, after that 57 is already there, so we need not to change. You can write 1 into 1, so it will become 23 into 23 upon 57. Now we have to subtract. So firstly 351 upon 57 we will write, and minus 23 upon 57. Now we have to take the common. 57 we will write as it is, and we have to subtract 351 minus 23 here. So 351 minus 23 is your 328. 328 upon 57 will be the answer. Okay, there is one more different question that is given to you here. As you can see, nothing is written. One is fraction and one is whole number here. Okay, so as you can see, I have told you earlier also, when there is nothing you will write, if there is whole number and there is nothing in the denominator, you can write 1. Okay, so I have written like this, 9 by 2 like this, and minus 3 by 1 like this. In addition also you will do like this. If the denominator is not there, so you can write 1. Okay, upon 1. Do remember this thing, please. Okay, if nothing is given in the only the number is given, okay, whole number is given, so what you will do is you will just write the denominator as 1. So what will be the LCM of 2 and 1? Obviously it will be 2. Okay, because the LCM of 2 1 the 2. There is nothing. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, so obviously the second number will be the LCM. Okay, so now 9 by 2 we will not change because LCM is already 2. So then 9 by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1, it will be 9 by 2, and 3 we have to change because it is having 1 as denominator. So we will multiply it with 2. So 1 to the 2 and 3 to the 6. Okay, so as we are together, because we have to make this like fraction, that's why we are doing like this. So now we have got 9 by 2 and 6 by 2. We have to subtract, as you can see here. So 9 by 2 minus 6 by 2, we will take 2 as common, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 upon 3 will 3 upon 2 will be the answer. Students, I hope that you have understood the concept, and please watch the video carefully, and you can ask the queries afterwards. Bye bye.